Do you want to create your own animation, but don't have the time or money to learn traditional animation software? Well, you're in luck. There's now a free AI text to animation generator that can help you create stunning animations in just minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to use this amazing tool to create your own animation. So, let's get started. Part 1. Create an account. In this video, we will use Krikey AI. You can find the official link in the video description. Krikey AI offers a free plan with 34 free credits. Click the Sign Up button to create a free Krikey AI account. You can continue using your Google account. Part 2. AI Avatar Generator. After logging into your Krikey AI account, go to the product page and select the Krikey AI Avatar Generator. First, choose your avatar's gender. Then, click the Save button to save your settings. Click the Back button to return to the Avatar Customization menu. Repeat the last step to change the skin, top, shoes, hair, and eyewear settings. Once everything is set, click the Save button. Part 3. AI Text to Animation. Go to the Animation Maker section and click the AI Text to Animation option. Now, type the animation you want and click the Generate button to create an animation for your avatar. Click the Payment button to approve this process and deduct credits from your credit balance. Part 4. AI 3D Animation Editor. Go to the AI 3D Animation Editor page. Click the Krikey AI 3D Animation Editor button to continue. After the editor page is fully loaded, go to the Animations page to add animation to your current scene. Click Menu for default animation. Click the Play button to preview. You can set the speed of the playback and create a smooth transition by dragging the Video Transition button in the timeline. Part 5. Camera Style. Select the Camera menu and choose the camera angle you want. You can set the camera parameters. Customize the duration of this camera style by dragging its length directly from the timeline menu. You can also create a smooth transition for camera style by dragging the camera transition. Part 6. Background and Light. Click the Environment menu and choose your desired animation background. To change animation light style, click the Light menu and select your desired light style. Part 7. Script and audio. If you want, you can add your script by generating it using Krikey AI's script generator, or you can upload your own script. For audio, you can choose from pre-made audios on the audio page. Part 8. Expression and gesture. To add expressions to your character, go to the Expression menu and select Expressions from the list. You can add hand gestures from the Gesture menu, continue by adding text or color filters if needed. Part 9. Avatar. Select the Avatar menu and choose your avatar to use your custom avatar in this animation video. Part 10. Render. After everything is set, click the File menu, choose Download Rig to download your animation rig, and click Save Project to save your project. Click the Edit menu to enable or disable auto offset, joints, and animation smoothing. Click Settings to enable or disable shadows in your animation. After that, click the Record button, select your desired frame size, and click Record. Click the Download button to download your animation video, and save your video. Here is the result from this AI animation tutorial. Thank you for watching this AI animation tutorial video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support my work. See you in the next artificial intelligence video. Bye-bye!